Holy cow, look at how small that guy is. Get off the road.
Dive next to it so we can
see how big he is.
Yeah.
He looks huge, but in real life, he's not that huge. Look at how big, look how small he is. Okay. Okay, people, here's a dime. Look how small this guy is. Wow. Wow, look how small he is.
He's really tiny, eh?
Oh, yeah. Oh, he jumped on the money.
You
That's a lucky dime right there. That's a lucky dime.
You got him good there.
Oh.
Yeah, they're really tiny there.
Yeah, yeah. But they are, yeah. Look at tiny toadlets. He needs to get off the
He does need to get off the little road.
I think he was eating corn. Holy cow, look at this view. Oh, hey. We made it up here. Yeah. Wow. Even camp here would be nice one night. No one would bother you too much.
No.
Yeah. Wow, look at up there. Whew.
There's a sign over there.
Well, oh sure. I don't know what that is. Like, what if this rolled down the hill? Yeah. Maybe. Danger for our bikes, maybe. Oh, trail closed. Oh shit. Look at his feet. Bigfoot feet. Plymouth Rock. Oh. Look at the size of these trees. Oh. Ooh. Oh yeah, it must connect.
He's running out.
He's running out.
Ataka fucker! Ataka Kio Blioho! You always will be my friend!
Yeah.
The most Indian thing you'll ever see. Two natives coming out of the bush.
Yeah, down here at Plymouth Rock. They made it. I think I hear people down there, no? Shit, are we up back? Are we still on the trail? Oh. Hey, look at, what is that, a caterpillar? What is that creature right there? Caterpillar. Alright. Can we get down this way? Whoa. No. I think we gotta go around. Oh, somewhere this way, huh? Hey. Try this way. Wow. Oh. Oh, I can hear the violin going. We were up there. Here, let's go this way. And we made it. We're back. Keep going. Whoa. I better get out of here then. You're gonna start charging at me. You good? Walk over here. Well, when it gets too close. Maybe that's a ploy and he's got his other buddies coming around this way.
Yeah, the raptors, eh? Yeah. They hunt in packs.
Yeah. Oh. Hey, big bear. Hey, big fella. We're cutting through. Are you foraging? We come in peace and we're friends. Oh. Hey, big bear. Yeah, probably. Will he take? If we go forward, do you think he'll take his food and? Hey, big bear. Hey, big fella. Come on now. Hey, big fella. Turn the lights on, maybe? That's crazy. I wonder what he's eating. Maybe he's a vegetarian bear.
Maybe he likes last Mohicans.
Yeah.
He's eating grass.
Okay. Shit, he must be hungry then, eh? Hey, is that like a charge?
Wooga, wooga!
Let us through, please.
Yo, bear!
We need to go that way. We have to backtrack.
A wasp, bear!
A wasp.
A wasp!
Hey! A wasp! How fast can they run?
50 clicks.
Shit, we might have to go backwards, I'm wondering. Maybe we shouldn't be scared. You okay? What are you eating? Woo! He's like, who are these guys? I think he won't come any closer, eh? I don't think he can go left or right, maybe.
You better let him through, right?
Yeah.
Go back?
I guess so.
I think he was the one who took the shit back there, eh?
Well, probably, eh? And he came around this way. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go the other way. You win.
You can go swim. Go fucking swim, man.
Uh-oh. Alrighty.
Yeah, you win.
You win, we're out. He's behind us. You win. I would just go right through, blasting music, but you know, he knows not to bother somebody when they're in that state. No, I'm just joking. Holy cow. Oh, he's back.
Yeah, he doesn't have a way around, eh?
No, it's up to you.
Or down.
Oh, it's up to you, I guess. But he could probably run at us now. He might corner us over there, though.
Okay, let's go down.
Yeah. Hey there, big fella.
Oh, let's see here. Look, there it goes.
Oh, wow. Hey, don't. Oh,
Yeah, we went
Oh,
behind
whoa.
my fucking phone, eh?
oh no.
That's okay, at least
That's
they
a
can hear it.
magnificent beast. Oh, yeah. You're a magnificent beast. Thank you for gracing us with your presence today, Bear. We appreciate it. Thank you.